Marco Colbert, Speed of Cover Finish Network. All right, guys, so we have my Project EG Coupe. Very nice car. No, it doesn't look nice right now, but it's got a lot of potential. And huge shout out to Vevor for sending us their latest spot welder. So this is going to help us get all the body work done. It's got all kinds of various attachments you can use to pull all kinds of sizes of dents. This thing is awesome. You got these like rivets you can weld in if you're trying to pull big areas. All kinds of these little attachments, you know, washers, hooks, all kinds of attachments you can use with this. They got these ones, which these ones are meant to, you actually use the stud welder, you actually physically weld this, and it's connected to the actual puller, and you pull it and weld at the same time. Very cool. While they were at it, they were really awesome. They actually sent me a really nice shop chair, which will really assist me in getting this car done, you know, roll around the car real quick. Just a nice tool to have around the shop. Well, all of their tools are very, very, very easy to assemble. The only thing I had to do when this came in was put the wheels on it, slap the chair on the top, screw the chair to the plate on the bottom, and it was ready to go. All right, so getting ready to set up and use this machine first, you're gonna go ahead and take your dent. As you guys can see, it's a little bit long. You're gonna take your dent and go ahead and grind it down to bare metal. You can use anything, sandpaper, a Dremel tool. You're gonna go ahead and pick your attachment. I decided to pick the one with like the little hook on it. And you're gonna go ahead and screw it in real tight. You know, that way you can go ahead and use it as a stub puller at the same time. And that's the method I'm deciding to go with. Now you're gonna set up your ground. Go ahead, grind that to bare metal, set it up, put the stud gun on it, pull the trigger once, and that should attach it, weld it to the panel. Now you're grounded. Now you're gonna pick your setting, attach your stud welder to the gun, and this is it. You're pretty much ready to rock. Man, shout out to Vevor for this spot welder. I have to say, I don't know why I did not have one of these sooner. This thing made pulling a dent so easy and more so fast. The way you guys see I had it set up where I had the gun and the stud puller all in one, and I was able to zap the little copper fitting onto the metal and pull at the same time, wiggle it a little bit, break it loose, immediately move to the next low spot, zap, pull, immediately move to the next low spot, zap, pull, all day long. Once I really got the hang of using this tool and setting the setting right, everything like that, this thing is just lightning fast. This thing will make your body work lightning fast. Guys, I'm literally gonna grind every single dent that I see on this car. I will go around this entire car in probably 45 minutes. Zap, 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 pull, pull, pull. And this thing will be straight, skim it with a light coat of body filler, just like I did on video for you guys. And this car is gonna be ready for some primers and paint in no time. Minus that rust spot. That's gonna need some time. I'll circle back to you guys on that one. But, however, a lot of the like the little dents and stuff like that, this tool is just gonna knock it out of the park for me for this project. If you guys are looking for the cheapest and the best spot welder that will make your body work lightning fast, head on over to eBay, Amazon, or you can order these directly off the site. Vevor, they have all kinds of tools, guys. Look, they sent me this chair, beautiful chair. Look, and you can stick all kinds of tools and stuff in here. If you're a prep guy, and let's say you're on the prep stage of, or your personal project, you're on the prep stage of your car, you can slip all your different sandpapers in here and just roll around the car, go through the process, the stud welder. They got all kinds of stuff on the site. Check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this tool review. Follow me for more videos on the EG. This is going to be one of the cars I restore over the winter time. We're making cars great again. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.